Welcome back, my DeFi ladies and gents. It's a new week and that means a new installment in the weekly crypto passive income bot portfolio series. In this series I go through all of the crypto passive income bot projects that I'm invested in. I talk about my strategies and we compare results on a weekly basis. And man, what a crazy week it has been. Everything is dumping hard. Like, crypto is such a fucking minefield right now. One wrong move and you're wrecked. Okay, right now I'm on the Bitcoin daily time frame and you already know we had this huge dump, and the thing is that I actually feel like a sense of relief, you know, because I have been so done with this price range. Like, how many weeks do we have to sit around here and shop around to never actually do anything? So like, right now we finally actually have something happening. Like, I don't know about you, but I'm ready to test like this range here, this 13k range, you know. I wanna reset, have a nice clean start, and hopefully, you know, start to build up some new momentum, and maybe we'll even see a small bounce, maybe a small bull run or something. Wouldn't that be cool? Because yeah, this ain't it, shopping around at this range. Boring. Okay, before we jump into the first project, you already know, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm trying to get 2,000 subscribers. Also, I will be adding a new project to the bot portfolio next week, so you definitely don't want to miss out on that. I think that this project will be the next big thing. I'm fucking hyped! But yeah, I can't tell you more about it. And also, while you're at it, like the video, leave me a comment, check out my website. You can find links to all of the projects that I'm in on my website, and also join my Telegram group. That's the best place to get a hold of me if you got any questions or simply just want to talk about DeFi. Okay, let's jump right into the video. So the first project that I want to go over is Optimus OPT3. This bad boy right here lets you earn 1% daily passive income through AI trading generated revenue for holders, daily income paid directly to your wallet, and 0 fees. No need to lock up your token and 0 taxes. Now, who doesn't like that? So the OPT3 token was trading at about $1.50 to $1.60 until this thing happened. We dumped all the way down to 30 cents. So what happened? Well, long story short, it was a panic sell-off, many different factors, and what we learned from it is that the OPT3 bots actually turn off if the sell pressure gets too high, which it did at this point, because, you know, it was not worth fighting against all of that massive sell volume. The bot would basically get beat the fuck up. So yeah, this was really scary actually. I woke up in the morning and saw that it was at like 50 cents or 60 cents, and it was just dropping and dropping and dropping and dropping. Really freaking scary. Like, I thought something in the contract was like broken or something and it was going to 0. But when it hit 30 cents and I saw that first beautiful green candle come in, I was basically on quick swap trying to spam the exchange button as much as possible, but as Matic is a piece of crap shit chain, I wasn't able to buy in before we hit like 70 cents. If you're in OPT3, please let me know in the comments if you picked up more or maybe you sold off everything. I know a few people that sold off at like basically the bottom. Man, that must hurt. But also there were lots of people getting in at 30 cents and flipping it at $1. You know, that's a beautiful trade right there. You know, I wish I did that, but nope. Anyway, so as you can see, I did increase my position a little bit, but yeah, I'm pretty sure that I'm at a loss right now, from the all-time high that is. But yeah, I'm good with my position. I think I will just hodl this amount for a while and see what happens, because yeah, OPT will launch on the Binance Smart Chain as well. That is very bullish in my opinion. I will definitely be jumping into the Binance version as well. Yeah, I wish they were more transparent about that bot thing that they can turn off, you know, if the sell volume gets too high. I don't know, they might have mentioned it, I might have completely missed it. At least for me this was the first time hearing of it, but hey, you know, would have been good to know because things got scary, but hey, now we know. Optimus will also be doing an AMA on Monday, November 14th at 11 AM EST on James Pelton's channel, so make sure you listen to that. They have promised to drop some major bullish news on there. And next up we have Prosperity Gem Mining, formerly known as Crypto Gem Trading. This is a crypto passive income project that lets you earn 2% daily on your invested capital through their mining and bot trading services. And let me tell you, this contract has absolutely been exploding recently. Look at this thing. I mean, just look at this thing. Isn't it a beautiful chart? Let's get this crypto. Almost 1 million TVL. Come on, man. Also, the founder of this project, Manny Delgado, he is 100% fully doxed. He also has a YouTube channel, which I will link in the description down below. There's a link on the Prosperity Gem Mining UI that takes you here, and you can learn more about Manny. So yeah, there is a lot of YouTubers who have been starting to talk about this project more, and I believe that this will just become more and more popular, you know, now that stable fund is gone and a lot of these other static ROI dApps, rest in peace, gone but definitely not forgotten. So yeah, I'ma put my money where my mouth is, and I'ma drop in another 200 USDT. Deposit. Hey, bada bing, bada boom, let's get this crypto. So yeah, that's PGM for you. My strategy for this one is when my available for withdrawal reaches 50 USDT, I will first claim it, and the next time I hit 50 USDT in my available for withdrawal, I will compound it. Next time I will claim, after that I will compound, claim, compound, claim, compound. You get the idea. Also, one thing that I like very much about this project is this: can I request to withdraw my full deposit? Once you have made a deposit on our smart contract pool, you may request to withdraw your full deposit after 15 days. Your full deposit withdrawal will be processed and sent to your wallet within 3 to 5 days. You can only request to withdraw your full deposit amounts once every 15 days. Let's get this crypto. Next up we have automated USDT Capital, and this is pretty much the same as PGM but by a different developer, and they also have a audit done by George Stamp. Shout out to George, you already know, the DeFi saint himself, good friend to the channel. And also automated USDT Capital shares all of their trades in their Telegram group, which is nice to see, you know, that they are actually trading. But yeah, there's pretty much not much to be said about this one. It's basically the same as PGM, like I mentioned. Only got about 100 USDT in this one, and for this one I'm basically just compounding. You can also find their white paper on their website, so read through that. And for this one as well, am I able to withdraw my full deposit? Yes, you can. You may request to withdraw your full deposit, but it will take 7 to 14 days to process. Lastly, full deposit withdrawals requests will be charged with a 12% fee. That is very nice. And last but not least, we have Hedge Fund AI. Swear to my dad, this is the best kept secret in DeFi. Like, no one is talking about this project. It's basically a passive income trading bot fully hosted on Telegram. As you can see, these are the tokens that they allow you to earn on, and you are able to earn 0.714% per day. They also have a bunch of different bonuses depending on how much you deposit. Also, it costs about $55 to be in this project every month, but as I am an influencer, I can get you in for free, but please don't tell anyone. I don't want them to send any kind of Bitcoin assassins after me. You will also have to do a KYC for this project, which if you're not a fan of that, this is not for you. If you're okay with that, you can hit me up and I can tell you more about it. But yeah, that's pretty much it for Hedge Fund AI. I don't want to talk anymore about it. People get mad, pissed off. Okay, so these are the passive income bot portfolio results from week 3. That was in the last episode, and as we can see, our total weekly dividend income was about $155. Now let's see what the results are for this week. So, as we can see, even though the market is taking an absolute crap and the OPT3 price has gone down like a lot, we are still up from last week. Wow. So yeah, I'm very happy about that. Like the famous saying states, buy when there is blood in the streets, or in our case, compound when the moon boys are weak. Let's get this crypto. So yeah, in the future we will be able to track more in depth each individual investment and project. For now, this is what we're working with. But yeah, as long as this number goes up, I'm happy. And that's pretty much it for the video. I wanna thank you all for watching. Like always, none of this has been financial advice. You should always do your own research and never invest more money than you can afford to lose. Please hit that subscribe button and like the video. Also, leave me a comment. Did you pick up some more OPT, or maybe you sold off everything? Let me know. And while you're at it, join my Telegram group. That's the best place to get a hold of me if you got any questions or simply just want to talk about DeFi. Check out my website, but most importantly, let's get this crypto. Ciao.